When you hear someone mention a detox or cleanse, do you think of someone consuming nothing other than smoothies and water for several days and then spending endless hours on the toilet? Well, you're not alone in this thought process. Today we're going to discuss what detoxing is and whether it is something worth your time. The word detox in itself means to stop taking in harmful substances, foods, and drink into your body for a period of time in order to flush them out and improve your health. The human body is essentially a machine, and it already has an inbuilt system that is constantly working to clear what it doesn't need. But when there's a deficiency in the system, or the body isn't being fed the proper fuel, there can be a backup of these harmful toxins, and it essentially needs a reset to get the machine running smoothly and efficiently again. Our bodies naturally eliminate waste products by filtering it out in the liver and kidneys, which normally removes the need for gut cleansing. However, if toxins are present in the food we consume, the body will absorb them in the small intestine, in addition to the other beneficial vitamins and minerals. If you are concerned that your body is being contaminated with toxins, you should start by being cautious and attentive about your diet. Eat a healthy, balanced diet that is high in fiber, low in fat, and avoid foods that might contain toxins that are bad for your body. To achieve this, avoid eating microwave meals, char-grilled foods, and deep-fried foods. When it comes to cleansing the body, fiber is one of the most important things to make sure that you're getting enough of. Examples of foods high in fiber are oats, wild rice, legumes, nuts, and seeds. The recommended daily amount of fiber is 25 grams per day for women and 38 grams per day for men, but the average person only consumes about half of that amount. There are certain foods that can target specific organs in the detox process. Foods such as Brussels sprouts, kale, and broccoli can help cleanse the liver. Basil helps to detox the blood, and green vegetables such as spinach, chard, as well as flax seeds can help detox the colon. When it comes to a water and juice-only detox, although it can be effective in removing toxins, I wouldn't recommend it as a means for weight loss. The weight you lose from a juice-only cleanse is a result of losing water, carbohydrate stores, and frequent bowel movements, which will all return after you resume a regular diet. It is also not recommended for serious athletes, as they will lose their carbohydrate stores, which is the body's preferred source of fuel during exercise. Also, detox diets are low in protein, which is an important food to maintain healthy hair, skin, nails, and muscles. If you decide to cleanse or detox, limit the time you do it to no more than 2 days during a week of recovery, in which you perform little to no exercise. While short 1 to 2 day detoxes can be beneficial, it isn't recommended to be practiced more than once a month unless you have a digestive disorder such as gastroparesis or Crohn's disease. A more suitable approach, and something I would recommend, is to do a small morning ritual such as consuming lemon water and fitting it into your daily routine. When most people make lemon water, they tend to prepare it improperly. The key is to use the entire lemon to receive all the benefits of this superfood. The juice of the lemon has citric acid, which helps us to have bowel movements when detoxing, which is important when excreting harmful toxins out of your system. The lemon zest, or peel, contains essential oils that are good for digestion, treating nausea, and also contain extra fiber. When preparing the lemon water, you can grate the lemon zest into small bits, which can then be easily consumed in the drink in order to get the full benefits. Some of these benefits are: 1. Stops oxidation. Lemons, like all fruit, contain phytonutrients that defend your body against illness. These phytonutrients have potent antioxidant effects that shield cells from oxidative stress, the same process that results in rust. 2. Reduces the risk of kidney stones. Those with urinary citrate deficiency, which is a type of citric acid, can avoid painful kidney stones with the aid of lemon water. 3. Provides a sufficient amount of vitamin C. You will only increase your calorie intake by 6 calories if you squeeze half a lemon into your water. You will also receive more than a sixth of your recommended daily intake of vitamin C, which is essential for preventing cell damage and healing wounds. 4. Improves iron absorption. Iron deficiency anemia is quite common. It happens when your diet isn't providing you with adequate iron. Although lemons do contain some iron, they mainly prevent anemia by enhancing your body's absorption of iron from plant-based diets. You can also add extra ingredients to the lemon water, such as activated charcoal. Activated charcoal is charcoal that has been treated with oxygen at very high temperatures to make it more porous. Its internal structure is altered by this procedure, which also results in smaller pores and a larger surface area. Your intestines don't absorb activated charcoal. This means that after you ingest it, it enters your gut in its unchanged form. The porous nature of the charcoal has a negative electrical charge, attracting positively charged molecules like gases and poisons. This activated charcoal binds to the liquids or gases that pass through it, through a process called absorption. Instead of being absorbed into your body, these poisons and chemicals are retained in your stomach and removed through stools. Additionally, activated charcoal is very good at absorbing gases, which might lessen flatulence. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, as it helps our small channel grow. And stay tuned for weekly health tips and tricks.